Welcome. In this segment, we're dealing with rounding up and down. Okay, rounding up and down, I mean the following. If we together look at the following points here. Now, you consider the real life situation when rounding up and down. Very important to do this. Okay, let's look at this guy Gadiva here. Gadiva wants to tell a room. Already we are on real life situation. Want to tell a room, according to his calculations, he needs 25.2 tiles. Good. Listen up now. Gadiva tells a room. He does some calculations. How? We don't know. But his answer comes out 25.2. Now we need to discuss this. Let's discuss this according to a real life context. Now, he cannot buy 25.2 tiles. Guys, I don't know. Maybe you know that somewhere they sell like 25.2 tiles. That is not my knowledge. According to my knowledge, you cannot buy 25.2 tiles. Okay, what is the size of this? We don't know. Right. Gadiva, your job is to remove the decimals now. Just remove the decimals to get the whole number. But look, Gadiva will apply mathematics without realizing what he is dealing with. This guy is going to go 25.2. Round off is 25. Okay, so what he got? 25 tiles. Now, take the tile to the room, try to tile. There is going to be just a small gap in his tiling. Just small gap. And then he's stuck now. What to do? Guys, the context says, let's come back here, right? According to the rules of rounding off, Gadiva must buy 25 tiles. Okay, fine. But remember, there will be a small space that is left untiled. If you come up with 25 tiles, what should it be? To have enough tiles, Gadiva should round up to 26 tiles. Of course, there must be a small gap that is left there. You're going to fill it. You're going to cut a piece from 26 tiles. Then you'll fill that gap. Cool. We're looking at something else. Next example, like this guy wants to feed some people. Okay, he does this. Moroman calculates the number of people he wants to feed with food. Cool. He does some calculations until he comes to 16.8 people. Is it possible, guys? Really? We cannot have 16.8 people. What must we do? Okay, we cannot have that. But this guy has to remove decimals completely. Okay, he comes to 17 people. 17 people. Is it like, okay, 16.8, I know that to the whole number is 17. This guy used pure mathematics without realizing the context. But look, if you go 17 people, the food you have won't be enough for 17 people. What do you do? Okay, there is not enough food for 17 people, of course. That's true. You went further. There must be 16 people if we consider the context. These 16 people will have enough food. Good. Okay. Now, we come into the next example of Samuel. What Samuel does is, have a look. Samuel has 8 rand to spend on oranges. Each orange costs 1.70, which is 170 cents. How many oranges Samuel can buy from 8 rand? Cool. 8 rand in the pocket. He wants to buy some orange for, each one is 170. Okay, how many oranges? Mathematics behind that. Simple one. Create your own formula. Come to this. Okay. Number of oranges. Good. Samuel cannot buy 0.7 oranges if you're there. But number of oranges will be given by this. 8 over 1.7. You just take the whole number, meaning the money that Samuel has. You divide it by 1.70, which is 170. Let me call this as money, 170. Then he gets this. Is it possible to get 0.7 oranges? Obviously, no. But what happens? Samuel can only buy 4 oranges as he does not have enough money to buy 5 oranges. If we take this to 5 oranges, the money doesn't allow. You rather round down to 4. We know that with 4 oranges, we sure that they can fit into 8 rand. Guys, look, they go in reverse. You've got money. You know the price, the unit price, like price per one item. To get how many items you can buy out of the money you have, you divide the lump sum or the money you have divided by the unit price. Then you get the number. But remember, when we count, we don't count in decimals. Okay, this is not like liters. Liquid, you can go like decimals. Weight, you can go like decimals, but consider the context. The context here says number of people, number of oranges. Can you really buy half an orange? You cannot accept that. Obviously, you need full orange. So we're not going to go 4.7 oranges. Stick to the smaller number 4. You're sure that with 8 rand you have, you're going to come up with 4 oranges, but not 5. 5, you won't have enough money. Therefore, consider the context when you round up and down. Guys, see you in the next segment.